Welcome to the project Destiny. My name is Captain Andy and we're live in Guatemala, Rio Dulce in the Marina Nana Juana. My name is Andy. I'm graphic designer and sailor, working from all over the world now. The last 2 years, me and my family were cruising the Mediterranean Sea on our 33-foot sailboat PADNEA. Because the space on our PADNEA went too small and because we love sailing and exploring the world from a sailboat too much, we sold her and found us a new, bigger sailboat, Destiny, in Guatemala. That's where I am right now. Do a little tour to Destiny. The sailing vessel Destiny is a Motiva 39S. She's 12 meters long, 3.7 meters wide. Her weight is 13 tons with a draft of 2.2 meters. She's made out of steel, built in 1988 in Denmark. She's a beautiful sailboat, strong and spacey, built for the seas of the world. Destiny circumnavigated the world already, but she's not ready now. But there are some parts that needs to be redone. You see that? Those patches. There is some work to be done before we can go out and sail the crystal blue waters of the Caribbean Sea again. To be able to sail crew and captain safely out to new shores and islands, she must get maintained completely from the mast top to the keel. So what I do is I work on the boat, check her out, get her into my brain, change a lot of rusty old stuff, buy some new stuff, get ants away. The ants were crawling all the way up and into the boat. I got them out. I need to repair the dinghy and a lot of things more. This is not only a great way to really get into the ship and get her known in detail, it's also necessary after all the months she spent on the hard. So what I do is live and work on the dry dock for the next weeks. Spend my time repairing, changing and understanding Destiny. She will get a complete new rigging and a full hull maintenance. This is where the propeller goes out. And there you don't really see it now because there's nice paint over it. But actually there's a lot of rust underneath. And we have to get rid of all that stuff. So what I do is live and work on the dry dock for the next weeks. Spend my time repairing, changing and understanding Destiny. It's a lot of work in paradise. But I've been told, every day a little. That's how you eat an elephant. Okay, let's go up, huh? Let's see what she's like on the inside. So this is a center cockpit ship. And this should feel very safe. I never sailed a center cockpit ship. Check out the inside, huh? Oh, this is the cockpit house. And look at this, I have space to the cabin ceiling. A lot of tools laying around, I'm working on this and that. Where should we go first? Kitchen? Alright, let's go to the kitchen. Down here is the kitchen. Okay, I said I didn't clean up, I really didn't. There is some rice from midday. And the kitchen is awesome. I can stand upright like almost everywhere in the ship, which is amazing. I love it. And we have hatches everywhere. We have nice cupboards, nice storages. deep storages. We have running water system. We have a water pump for seawater when we're in the sea, so we don't have for all the dirty dishes. We can use the seawater, and after for cleaning we can use the salt water, which is perfect. We have a fruit hammock. We have a huge fridge. I'm not opening it. Dishes is about to dry. Electric gas switch. Yeah. As I said, I didn't clean up. Here you have another cozy little place to sit and eat, and I don't know. I found a bottle of gin. I tried already a little. It's a very good one. Let's go in the forecabin. Oh, it's pretty dark in here. I'm gonna open the hatch. Here we go. Lot of space. Again, 2 berths, 1 up, 1 down. And again, I can stand upright. And the crazy thing about the ship is there's still everything from the pre-owner. Everything. Everything. All the clothes. I don't want to go too deep inside. This is all the sheets for bed, for sleeping. So this is the forecabin. The forecabin has its own bathroom. I'm gonna show you the bathroom. I use it as a storage right now. You have your own toilet. You have a washing sink. You can, yeah, as I said, still everything from the pre-owner. I will get rid of that, but it's pretty cozy in here. It has a mirror, and all the lights are LED in the ship. This is good, I think. Okay, this is the forecabin. Pretty spacious as the whole ship. All right, and we go back in the center cockpit, and here we go. This is the sea berth. I opened it completely. As I said, it's a total mess. And ta-da! Master's cabin. And this is, look at this great bed. It's amazing. It's so big. And it goes on. Another bathroom. Master's bathroom, sink, again, freshwater mirror toilet, and a nice shower. I don't know if I use it ever as a shower, but I think it hasn't been used for a shower. As you see, a lot of clothes and stuff. Another big cupboard, and what do you think is in here? That's right. Clothes from the pre-owner. It's funny. In a way, it's funny. I threw away the toothbrushes 2 days ago, I think. So I'm moving in slowly. All right. So this is Destiny from the inside. A very beautiful ship with lots of space for people, for storage, for food. We have 3 big water tanks. I think we can take like 1,000 liters of water and 700 liters of diesel. We have a massive engine room. There are the batteries. It's a very nice ship. It has to be done a lot of work. If everything goes right, I will launch Destiny in December 18 and set sail in January 19. When everything goes as predicted, as I wish, we're gonna go sailing in the Caribbean. You want to know where we're gonna sail to? Belize, Honduras, Mexico, Cuba sounds also great. I only can guarantee one thing. There will be white sand, crystal blue water, palm trees and cold beers. Thank you so much for all of you supporting me living my dream. Stay tuned for more or join the crew 19. You know that sailors only work with professional tools. A hammer is a professional tool and everything can be used as hammer.